Hello everyone, Mr. Terminal here. In this video we are looking into adding the ports to the pod we deployed. So we deployed pod in the previous video, link provided again, and that's the YAML file of that pod. Now this would create the Nginx server inside the container inside the pod, but it won't expose the port, so you won't be able to access Nginx. And of course Nginx without that is pretty much useless. So we want to do is expose and the port, and this is just an example of Nginx. In many services you will have many n number of ports that you want to expose. The procedure is going to be same. So let me just copy this into pod with port.yml. I think that's an appropriate name. Let's add with pod with port.yml, and here what you want to do in container specifications, you want to add ports, and inside ports you want to add a dash and name of, this is merely for reference or convention, port just let me just call it 80, or web access sounds more appropriate. Take care of the indentation. Here you mention the port you want to open, it's 80, and then you're going to mention what protocol you're using. In this case it's going to be TCP, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You give inside the pod in this container called Nginx, there is a web access port called port number 80, is going to allow access through TCP protocol. And yeah, that's it. Let's save the file and hopefully it will work. Pod with port, and yeah, it's created. And if you, of course the pod will be there. Let's describe the pod, web Nginx again. Now this time you would see the port is available, your TCP port, which wasn't the case before. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.